the main part. It's so beautiful. Wow. So many mirrors. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh, that's so gorgeous. I'm sure you love this part like the other parts. Let's go upstairs. So sweet, huh? Look. I can barely see myself. Look. So great. It's great, huh? Woohoo. This is the main part of Gulistan Palace, and I want to not so much talking. I want you to enjoy everywhere. So great, huh? Wow. Oh, who is he? Oh. Wow. This is تالار آج. Wow. Wow. Look. Look this. Look this. Wow. So big. Let's eat dinner. The other part. Oh, we have some plates here. Uh, they are for the time of Nasir-ad-Din Shah Qajar, for era, Qajar era. They are full of plates, bowl. Oh, look this part. I love this part. Yeah. Full of plates, yeah. And vase. Wow. Okay, I don't know which place is here. I have to see, but let's go search. Full of plates here, and I have to finish this part and show you another place. Look, so many plates here. Look. Ooh, love that. Nasir-ad-Din Shah. Ooh. Look what we got. Oh, here. Yes. I'm so happy not to miss this part because it's so amazing. Yeah? So amazing. Wow. Amazing. And the other part. Wow. This paper. Oh. Did you see what just happened? I touched this and I wanted to show you this place, and after that I saw this. Please do not touch wall decorations. Even you, Miss Rooha, I'm so sorry. Never touch again. Never touch anything again. Let's go. We have to exit. Let's go now. We have to exit. Wow, this is so amazing. Amazing. Look. I love this part. What do we have? It's can't enter. And where is it, this place? So amazing too. I wish to go inside. I have to search. Where is this place? So big, huh? شمس العماره. Yes, this is شمس العماره. Let's go inside. Okay, we are in شمس العماره. We have some poem in شمس العماره. We say رفتم به در شمس العماره، همون جایی که دلبر خونه داره. So شمس العماره. Oh, شمس العماره. شمس العماره. Yes, شمس العماره again. Full of decoration. Look. شمس العماره. So great, huh? This is Badgir Tower, and we have to see another place, and this is so big. I'm lost in here. No, that's not mine. Okay, let's go. Ooh, let's go. Oh, I think I found it. No. Yes, Hall of Diamond, امارت الماس. Hall of Diamonds. This place belongs to Qajar era, when kings wanted to meet special people and important people, and this is that place he visited them. So strange. Oh, wow. They mean that place. Wow, maybe in there, inside this room, he visited them. He is Muzaffaruddin Shah, one of our kings for Qajar era. Ooh. Look! What are you eating? Oh, don't eat that! Oh, come on! Don't eat that! See? Okay, I think we saw most of the place in here, and we have just one place left, and I love this part to walking, and after that I want to go that place. It's called Housekhane, and I don't know where is it because I'm lost in here. No, I'm kidding. I will find it. I will find it. I want to show you and finish this part, this post, and okay. So many trees. Okay. No, bottom. Double side piano. Wow. Double side piano. Have you ever seen that before? I never seen that before. Look at this painting. Amazing, eh? Amazing. Phew. Wow. I love this part. Phew. Okay, we finished Gulistan Palace, and I'm sure my sisters will kill me because I told her I will back in 10 minutes, and now it's just 1 hour. I was in there in this place, and I'm sure she will kill me part and part. You have to see her face. She's so mad because of the sun. Look at my face too. I told you she's mad. Look at her face. Look at her face. Can you see that? That's the kumede. Look at her face. She's so mad. I have to leave in here. I have to leave. There she is. She's not mad. Look at her face. No, 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 no. She's not mad. Are you mad? Yeah, she's mad. Bye.